hope you are all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am Ferry, the mathematics teacher. Now I will discuss about mathematics 9 class with new addition. First of all, we will discuss about unit number 2. Unit number 2 is logarithm. Logarithm means to form a log. First of all is logarithm. Logarithm are the powerful mathematical tools used to simplify complex calculation, particularly those involving exponential growth and decay. So first point is scientific notation. Scientific notation means a method used to express very large and very small number in a more manageable form is known as scientific notation. It is commonly used in science, engineering and mathematics. So we can be say that a large amount of numbers, it means a large big value can be summarized in a short form by using the power of 10. So first of all, I will discuss about some examples to understand the concept of scientific notation. So, if we take example number 1, is convert 78 millions to scientific notation. So first of all, we will move the point from right to left. So we can also say that 7.8. So we hear that here 78 millions can be converted into the 7.8 multiplied 10 to the raise 7. 7 digits are moved here from 0 to 8 and 7. Here is 7. Positive 7 is like this because its point is moved from right to left. We can say that its exponential value will be positive if we move from right to left, and it will be negative when we move left to right. So power will be negative, but here it is positive because of point move to right. So फर्दर एग्जांपल्स में हम डिस्कस करेंगे एंड और देखेंगे कि नेगेटिव वैल्यू कब है और पॉजिटिव वैल्यू भी कब है. सो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं अपनी एक्सरसाइज नंबर 1. एक्सरसाइज है 2.1. फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज साइंटिफिक नोटेशन. एक्सप्रेस द फॉलोइंग नंबर इन साइंटिफिक नोटेशन. These are the given value. These value can be summarized in the point form. Then we will discuss about question number 1. Question number 1 is express the following number in scientific notation. First one is 2 lakh, 2 million. So let's start question number 1, which is 2 million. Start करते हैं question number 1. Question number 1 is 2 million. Question number 1, which is part number 1. 1 is 2 million. So we will solve by using a scientific notation. Express the following number in scientific notation. So we can be changed. 2 million can be in the point form by using the power of 10. 2.0 multiply 10 की रेज. अब देखें पॉइंट मूव करेगा यहाँ से यहाँ, तो कितने पॉइंट डिजिट्स मूव करेगा? 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. इट्स पावर विल बी 6, बट इट विल बी पॉजिटिव. पॉजिटिव क्यों है? इट बिकॉज इट विल मूव फ्रॉम right to left, not left to right. So its power will be 6 and it will be positive. We can be right here positive and cannot be because it's actually represent that it's if we don't use positive, it is already positive. But if we use, so negative can be right here. If it will be negative, but positive cannot be indicate. Its question is already correct. So हम next question start करते हैं. Next question क्या है? Part 2 है 48,900. लेट्स स्टार्ट करते हैं. पार्ट 2 है 48,900. We will calculate and we will change in a point form by using a scientific notation. So we can say that answer will be 4.89 multiplied 10 की रेज 1 2 3 4. It will be positive 4, not a negative, because it will be moved from left to left, not left to right. So its answer will be 4.89 multiplied 10 की raise 4. Then next question is part 3. Part 3 is 0.0042. So let's start question number 3. Question number 1 and part 3. Part 3 is 0.0042. Now we will change in a scientific notation by using the 10 की power and in a point form. सो वन नो डिजिट्स के बाद पॉइंट आना चाहिए. इट्स वैल्यू विल बी 4.2 मल्टीप्लाई 10 की रेस. सो वी विल मूव फ्रॉम पॉइंट फ्रॉम हेयर लेफ्ट टू राइट. सो पॉइंट मूव फ्रॉम 0 to 4. So its value is 1 2 3 3, but it will be negative because its point move from to right. तो अब स्टार्ट करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 is 0.00000009 and let's start. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 है. It means क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 its point is 4. 4 is 0.00000009. सो स्टार्ट करते हैं. इट्स सोल्यूशन विल बी 9 point. We can be right here 0. Don't write here 0. It can be correct. And if we use here like 0.0, it's also good and it's also applicable. So 9.0 multiplied 10 की raise will be equals to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Its power will be 7, but it will be negative because it's moved from left to right. So its answer will be 9.0 multiplied 10 की raise minus 7, and we can also write in this manner 9 multiplied 10 की raise minus 7. Both answer will be correct. So let's start करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 है 73 multiplied 10 की raise 3. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 है पार्ट 5 है 73 मल्टीप्लाई 10 की रेस 3. नाउ वी विल if point is not indicate, so we can also conclude that its point will be on right side, always on present on right side. If point will be represented on left side, it will be on left side, but if it doesn't applicable, it doesn't mention the point, so we will suppose that point always will be on right side. So point 7.3 point move from here to here. So 7.3 multiply 10 की raise, because point move from right to left, so its value will be 1, but it will be positive. Then 10 की raise 3 is from here, so we can say that 7.3 multiply 10 की raise 4. 3 plus 1 will be equals to 4. This will be the answer of this question. Let's start करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 is 0.65 multiply 10 की raise 2. पार्ट 6 है 0.65 multiply 10 की raise 2. Solution will be equals to 6.5 will be equals to. Now we can say that point move from left to right, so its value will be minus 1. Why minus 1? Because one digits here 10 की raise 2 is because of this above. So we can say that 6.5 multiply 10 की raise plus 1 because here not indicate, but it's actually represented that its here will be plus. So if we write plus here, so we can say that minus 1 and plus 2 will be equals to plus 1. So we write here plus 1 because we will discuss here in a significant notation. In a simple form, we will write a complex equation, complex calculation in a simplest form. So we again discuss all the questions. First one is 2 million, so we can be simplify in a simplest form, complex form into simplest form. So we can say that 2.0 multiply 10 की raise plus 6 because point move from this place to that place, so its crossing number of 0 is 6. So we will write here 6 plus 6 because it's moved from right to left, so it will be equals to plus 6. 2.0 multiply 10 की raise plus 6. Second one is 48,900, so we can be right here like 4.89 multiply 10 की raise 4 because point move from here to here. So how many digits are moved 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4. So we write here 4. So its actual answer is 4.89 multiplied 10 to the base 4. Third one is 0.00024. We will write here point after a one known digit variable. So 4.2 multiplied 10 to the base minus 3, because point move from left to right. So how many numbers are moved? 1, 2, and 3. So here 3 is because of this. How many numbers are moved? So minus is because of movement of left to right. So next question is question number 4 is 0.0000009. We can be write here like 9.0 multiplied 10 to the base minus 7, because 7 digits are moved. Write like this, and this both will be same and both will be correct. So question number 5 is 73.3 multiplied 10 to the base 3. We can be write here 7.3 multiplied 10 to the base 1 because of point move from this place to that place. So 1 is here. So this one is here 10 to the base 3 as it is. So 7.3 multiplied 10 to the base 3. 3 plus 4 is, so plus 3, it will equals to plus 4. Here plus 4 is because of this, because both base are same, its power will be add up. So next question is question number 6. 6 is 0.65 multiplied 10 to the base 2. 10 to the base 2. So we will convert it into the scientific notation in the form of power, and we can be convert the complex number into the simplest form. So we can say that 6.5 multiplied 10 to the base minus 1, because of this point move how many numbers? It's only 1. So it will be equals to 1, but it will be equals to negative, because only 1 points are moved here. Minus 1 multiplied 10 to the base 2 is from above. So 6.5 multiplied 10 to the base plus 1, because base are same. So exponent can be add up. So minus 1 and plus 2, minus 1 plus 2 will be equals to plus 1. So we can say that we can write here like 6.5 multiplied 10 to the base plus 1. This one will be the question number 1. Whole parts I discuss here.
And shine, let the world see your light.